Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with your morning market stir for Monday, July 21st. Now that's a rally recovery. Markets came storming back on Friday. 1971 was the close in the E-mini S&P. We were up 0.5% on the week, so a full recovery and more on a weekly basis. The high of the session on Friday was 1974 with that market surge. Dow futures added 91 points at 17,032. The gain for the week in the Dow was 1%, or just below that. The Nasdaq was a big mover, up 54 points, gaining 1.5% alone on Friday. The close was 39.30, so that was the surge and a full comeback there. The dollar index 80.60 up 3. The euro currency going nowhere, down one tick right now, 135.28 on Friday anyways. Only had a 45-point range on the day from the high and the low, and it did lose 74 points, closing solidly, sharply below that 136 level that we talk about as a pivot here on this show. The bond market down 138.02. Crude oil down 25 cents at 101.95. The surge on the week was 2.5 points, so crude oil is holding solidly above the $100 barrel level after playing with it just a little bit. And gold down $8 at 13.09, losing $28 on the week, but staying above the $1,300 threshold that we've been talking about there. So after the epic surge, where do things stand here on this Monday morning? Well, we're off a little bit. We're down 4.5 points on the E-mini S&P 1967. 1978.25 is the all-time high in the S&P futures that we did not take out last week. We got within a quarter point, so keep an eye on that up above, within striking distance. 16,991 down 42 is where the Dow stands right now, and the Nasdaq down 5 at 35.25. Looking at the dollar, we're up 2 points at 80.62, and the euro currency right now is down 4 at 135.24. Bonds going nowhere, 138.04, still hanging up here at these highs. The yield on the highly watched 10-year note right now is at 2.48%, staying below that 2.5%. Looking at crude, we're up 20 cents right now. Down 20 cents at 101.75 as it stands, and gold is up $5 at 13.14. So to wrap up the current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we're off a little bit as we stand right now after that epic comeback. We're down 4.5 in the E-mini S&P. We're down 42 in the Dow futures. I will see you early Tuesday morning for the morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.